So hi everyone and welcome to Free Weekly Market Outlook. So hope you are doing good, hope you are well. If you have any questions, just feel free to use the live chat there on TradingView, and those who are watching me also on YouTube live, feel free to use the chat there. I will answer all the questions that you have and I will provide you as much value as I can. And please share the link with others. I would love you to build this community worldwide and people who would like to upgrade their knowledge. So let's go. Let's start slowly. If you would like to take a deep look on any chart, a specific chart, just use the chat. Be specific. For example, Euro New Zealand, type in, and we will have a deep look on it. But with the Forex Express, I will watch all the charts into details. Okay, so I will go step by step, watch it one by one, and go through all of them. Okay, and then we'll have a small talk for the crypto at the end of the webinar to see if there is anything and what the crypto is trying to do in the upcoming days. Okay, so hello also to you. You are welcome. So let me just share with you the setups that I have published already. Okay, there have been many setups that I have shared with you. Your chief has gave us a nice setup over there. What it did, it's trying to build the momentum for the upside. So if you're a buyer from somewhere there, you're doing really good job. That means you are with us in every weekly market outlook. We've been forecasting this move. So what we can do now, we'll wait for the sideways movement over there and then more continuation of the upside. I can see that the price will go and hit the top button, hit that top over there. Okay, so we'll see the break of this top. So keep on watching for the flex and continuation to the buy stops. US oil struggling there at the top still. It didn't move anywhere. If you took that sell, no worries. You have to protect yourself with the break even. Okay, and if you're a seller from there, put it on break even. We are still struggling there. There's no momentum for strong sell, but yes, watch for this move that can appear at any time soon on the oil, both of oil, US oil and UK oil. Euro Aussie, again, opportunity is setting up for you. So if you miss this sell, okay, you have to protect yourself, put all trades on break even, and watch to sell again. Okay, so we are at the top and you will have to watch the sell again. Okay, that would be a nice trade over there. Okay, so I'm warning you, keep an eye there on the Euro Aussie. That's a nice trade that is waiting for you. Chief Yen did also a really nice job. We've been watching it there to start pushing lower on lower time frame, and then on Friday there was a really nice trade over there. So my traders are in the trade from there. Okay, so we catch it totally from the top and the price is aggressively breaking down. Okay, so I think this is 5% of the profit was there. Okay, already. Okay, it's already 5% in the profit rate. Okay, so huge money. So there, I think it's around 380 pip, if I'm not wrong. Okay, 380 pip. It's already in the profit. 5% risk reward ratio. Okay, so if you invested 100 euro, you already are in the profit of $500 or euros or whatever you're trading. Okay, so good trade, and this is what we are catching. Okay, this is what we want to trade. We want to trade fast move, aggressive move, because there is the money, and these are the moves where you can make for a living. Otherwise, in the correction there, trading up and down, okay, you will not be making any money. Oh, hi Maria, also you are welcome. So that's it. Your yen also went a little bit lower, but was struggling there. Okay, so it went lower, it went for a new high, and then it went really nice to the downside. Okay, so that was the yen movement. Okay, there was the yen movement. Yen went really nice to the upside, so that pushed this pair to the downside. Pound New Zealand went lower, but this is the old trade. Okay, so if you sell there, break even and sell again, and yeah, that's it. This is a quite similar example as Euro Aussie. Okay, so you sold there, and you are watching Euro Aussie again. Uh, You're also to sell again, you see? So this is the same behavior. Went down, went up, went down, now went up, and it will go again down. Oh, hello, hello, also Alan. You are welcome. Okay, so let's go. I will go now with the step by step. Start with the dollar, and then we'll go watch all those charts, like I said. So if you have any question during the webinar, just feel free to ask. I'm here to answer all the questions that you'll have. I'm here to explain everything into details. Okay, so don't be ashamed. Don't worry. Just feel free to type in. Okay, use the chat, guys. We will not eat you. Okay, just use the chat. So let's go DXY. What we can see there on the DXY, DXY went really nicely to the upside. Okay, on Friday. So does this change anything? No, of course. Okay, we will still see some correction over there and one more buy before the big sell will appear over there. I'm still watching the DXY will go down. Why? Let me show you the reason why. The reason is there. You can see we are having a flag there, a correction, and this move needs to appear. Okay, so break of 88.30, it needs to appear. Okay, so keep your eyes there. It will appear anytime soon. So I do recommend you that you will go and ignore that buy. Okay, that buy, it's not a big movement over there. It's much more confusing movement, and there's not a lot of money. So I rather stick to the sell setups. Sell setups will give you a nice money over there, and it's a quite long term setup. Okay, you will hold it for 10 days at least. Okay, so 10 days we will be selling it. So I rather skip that buy. Okay, so let's go. Oz USD. So let's see. This can still go a little bit lower, okay? Let it go a little bit lower and then we'll start watching for the buy. Aussie USD, it's not ready yet, okay? So, but it will be good, okay? Aussie, it's trying to gain some strength across the market. Dollar will lose its strength across the market, okay? So this will be the good chart for a buying, but it's not yet ready, okay? So what you will have to do is watch it. Okay, watch, see some loss of momentum there before buying it. Okay, so what we'll do in our trading academy, we will be watching it every day into details. What we would like to see is there some loss of momentum down there. It could go also back to the trend line and then it can start pushing its way to the upside. Okay, but at the moment you cannot do anything. You are in the middle of the structure, so that makes no sense with buying or selling because you have 50-50 chances. Okay, so stay neutral until it will go at least deeper, close to the trend line. Okay, so let's say close to the trend line, then you can watch for the buying opportunity. Okay, so that's it. But it will be a nice trade. So let me just give you some drawings over there so you will not be lost over there. This one. Can you take this sell? This sell is quite risky, but yeah, if you think that dollar will go for this short-term buy, then of course you can watch there. This will be the 15-minute trade. Okay, so 15-minute trade back at the trend line and then buy. You can have a try. Okay, so you can have a try. 15-minute over there will show you the clear sense of the direction over there, but it's not ready yet. As you can see, it can go a little bit for the deeper correction and then selling. Okay, if this will appear, then yes, you can sell. You can consider taking this sell over there back at the trend line, and that will be good. Similar like this one. You see, guys. Okay, so this is what we would like to see. Same there. So if you have this, you can watch for selling. If not, then don't do anything. Okay, so you'll be risking more money than making money. Okay, so like this one, this, and then one more low, and then go up. So depends on you now. Would you like to go for this sell? Of course you can go, but you will have to keep a little bit bigger stop loss. Anyway, nice trade is setting there for you. Aussie Chief, what we are having over there. Aussie Chief will go lower. Okay, let me just delete those trend lines. So Aussie Chief, I can see this going higher at any time soon. So what you will have to do is just watch for your buy setups. Okay, do we have any buy setups yet on 15 minutes? Not yet. Okay, so 15 minutes buy setups are not ready yet. So what you can do, watch this one. Watch this one to push back at least back to the trend line, and then you will start watching for a buy stops. Okay, good, good way over there. Aussie, what we can have on the Aussie yen is, let's see, yen is still gaining some strength. Okay, so yen is gaining strength across all the market, and that can cause that this will go a little bit lower. Okay, but what you would like to see before you will start selling it. You would like to see a correction over there, okay? Not 1 hour, not 15 minutes, not 13 minutes. 4 hour correction is what we need, okay? So this is what we need over there. Same behavior and same correction is what we need before we'll start selling. So I would recommend you to stay neutral on the Aussian. That could be a little bit neutral for now. Aussian is possible running flat in a daily. Let's see. Let's have a look. What are you watching at? No, that's not a running flat. Oh, you mean that one? Yes, it is, but you don't know that this is the completed one. Okay, this is possible running flat, but that's have some struggles over there. Okay, it's not ready yet, but yeah, definitely you can watch it. Like I said, if it drops, corrects there, then definitely this is the move that you would love to catch. Okay, this is what everyone will be watching there on those pairs if this correction appears. So this is the reason, this is the main reason why I said that we need a big correction. Okay, so I'll delete this third line. It makes it it confuses me. So this correction will be confirmation that we are going to the downside totally. It's quite similar example as the Bitcoin is doing right now. But yeah, definitely stick to sets. For buy, I would say neutral. Okay, so but probably this week you will have nothing to do over there. Okay, so Aussie, New Zealand, it's quite confusing one because both of Aussie and New Zealand, those economies are quite similar, and if one is rising, the second one is rising also, and it's another is falling, the other one is also falling. So at the moment, I don't think that there is the good opportunities to take any sells. What it can do, it can struggle there and go back at the top, and then we'll see a drop. Okay, so this is what we can have there, and I would rather stay neutral. Okay, so I'm not looking for any opportunities there on Aussie New Zealand. Don't watch it. So hello also to you. How Bitcoin? We will watch the Bitcoin, buddy. Okay, so we'll watch the Bitcoin approximately 10 minutes. It's down there, so I'm going just step by step, and we'll have a discussion about the Bitcoin, okay? But Bitcoin, it's giving us much more sense of the direction right now than weeks before. So we know what is it doing. It gives us enough data, so the move is quite clear now. What's up, everyone? So hello, we are fine. How about you? We are fine. Can you analyze Nasdaq and USD? Of course, buddy. I can do that. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? Stay with us. We will have a deep look also on them. And yeah, okay, let's go. Let's speed up a little bit. I don't want to take that webinar to be long, 3 hours. So let's go. New Zealand USD, dollar, it's still not fantastic. Thank you for sharing. I'm here to share you as much as I can, so no worries. You will get a lot of information over there. So for those who are first time there, please share the link with others. I would like to 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 share this webinar with a lot of people, and I would love you to gain a lot of knowledge. Okay, I can see that a lot of people are improving already, but I want more. Okay, I want that every one of you will understand how and why market moves, and this is the purpose of those webinars. So that's the reason why I would please you to share the link with others. There are a lot of people waiting waiting for the link to be shared with him. Okay, so let's go. New Zealand USD dollar. It's still not looking good, but let the dollar settle down. Okay, so once the dollar will finish this buy movement, then of course we can see this movement over there, which will go and break the top. Okay, so something like this, it's still in play over there, like we saw on the Aussie USD and New Zealand USD. They both are looking the same right now, so let it plays out. Okay, but if you feel that you want to go for this short-term sell, then of course you can watch this one. Okay, so let's see how that will plays out, and of course this is the correction that you can short. It's not long term, so 1 to 1, maybe 1 to 2. If you are lucky, then this will be the trade. Okay, so you can see that charts are all the time giving you the corrections for sell, 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 but I want to see the more and less push to the downside, then we'll see a reversal to the upside. So if you feel for a short, just go for it. Okay, I'll delete this trend line. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Want to have a clear sense of the direction. So yeah, we've been talking about this 15-minute correction. Let's go for one more down, and then we may see wave to the upside. Okay, so this will be the dollar movement. Okay, this is the dollar movement because dollar needs to go a little bit higher. That then New Zealand USD will push a bit lower, and then dollar will turn totally to the downside, and we will have a nice buying opportunity there. Okay, but you can easily go for that one. New Zealand yen went lower already. If you catch it, okay, there was some corrections. If you catch it, now you have nothing to do. So let's stay neutral for now. What we would like to see is correction there. Okay, so bit bigger correction probably on Tuesday, maybe Friday. You will be able to see this correction. If not, then just let it go. Okay, you don't want to chase the price order. You want to have a big strong movement. And if you don't have a big correction like 4 hour correction, then this chart will not go far. What we are doing is we are focusing on the big corrections because we want to have and catch the strong movements. That's the reason why we are only waiting for those corrections. Okay, once they are ready, they go as with a lot of power and a lot of profit. So stay away from New Zealand yen. Okay, New Zealand chief. That's gonna be a nice trade over there. So what we can have, keep your eyes for the buy stops over there. Okay, so watch for your buy stops. Can go for one more low, yes, of course. Okay, this can still push for one more low and then up, but definitely you will be ignoring this sell. Okay, just stick to this buy. This buy is it's a nice opportunity over there. So can it start pushing earlier? Of course. Okay, so it can go for the sideways and then pushing higher. That's gonna be visible on 1 hour. Okay, so but not yet. Okay, let probably it will go for one more low and then going higher. So let this move to appear. This small down, ignore probably today. This move will be finished, and then we'll start watching for buy stops. Good chart to watch anyway. New Zealand, let me just label it with the green. New Zealand cat, you can watch for the buying over there. Okay, so let's wait for a nice flag, 15-minute. Okay, so 15-minute flag or 5-minute flag over there, and then take the buy. I can see it at least breaking that top. Okay, at least breaking the top. Cat yen, nothing there. So if you were seller from those spots over there, you're doing good job. If not, wait there. Okay, so wait. On Wednesday, probably you'll have a correction which is finished and then going lower. So exactly same scenario was on the New Zealand, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so yeah, like this one. This is what you would like to see. Okay, so this is what you would like to see there on Cadian. Okay, so same scenario. Let it correct and boom, you have a nice trade, a nice opportunities forming. How far it can go? It can go all the way back at that low. Okay, so keep your eyes like this and then going lower, drag lower. CAD can lose its strength across the market, yen will gaining. Okay, so I can see that yen will gain some strength across the market, so that's gonna give us a nice opportunity over there. Watch it. Okay, so every one of you would like to see that flag and continuation to the downside because this is the end of the big, huge correction. Chief, we've been talking about this one already. Okay, so it's really slow movement. Okay, we've been watching it since there. So for those who are first time with me, you can watch also the previous weekly market outlooks. The recordings are uploaded on our YouTube channel and also on TradingView. Under the profile, you'll find the previous weekly market outlooks. You can watch and you will learn. Okay, so we forecasted this move, and this is really good stuff. Okay, because if you have time and if you can watch the previous weekly market outlooks, the recordings, you'll be able to learn a lot over there. Okay, so people are doing that and they are improving their knowledge really nicely, and what I would like that from you, you will do the same. I want that everyone will improve its knowledge. And those who are asking me to join my team, to join my academy, and what is in there. So there's the 6 to 8 weeks training course. There are training videos, pre-recorded training videos. You will have to watch them. You will gain the knowledge over there. You will understand how patterns move, how they are developing, which rules we are using to watch the charts, and which rules we are applying on the charts to better identify the patterns. And you have the daily webinars. We are having the daily webinars every day in the morning around 10 a.m. GMT +1. This is my time. You'll have to check which one is in you. But if you don't have time for this daily webinar, you will have a recordings. Okay, recording will be uploaded there in our trading academy, so you will have to watch it. We are also discussing about setups there, and having us in your life and your in your trading career is really beneficial and really positive for your trading account. So yeah, if you feel that you would like to join us and if you feel comfortable, just use the website link tradewithmaster.eu and you'll find the membership tab there. Choose the membership that fits with you, and I will add you to our groups and I will give you the access to our educational stuff. So let's go. Let's continue. Catch if what we can have there, it can correct, and then one more low. Okay, so one more low, that's not a good trade. I don't like the catch if at the moment, it's too slow and this move will stay slow. Okay, I don't see there any aggressive movements. So like we said there, it's gonna go really slow and you need a lot of patience if you would like to trade the catch if. So if you do decide to take this trade, be patient. Okay, it's not gonna move really fast. Here in New Zealand, what we are having over there, here in New Zealand, it's trying to develop also some cells over there. Let me just delete this one. Okay, so what you will have to do is just watch for your sell setups. Okay, selling is what I would like to see. New Zealand will go start pushing at any time to the upside and the sell will appear over there. Okay, so keep your eyes there, watch for sell stops. What I would like to watch, every one of you, Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie, it's what everyone should watch. Okay, so going higher, struggler, give you the price action. We have a little bit more to break this top. Okay, so one more wave to the upside, will push, break this top, watch lower time frame there for price action, take this sell. Okay, so I would love you to have or that you will take this sell. Okay, why? Because this sell can go really aggressively down and you will have a nice profit similar as Chifian. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of DMs that people on the webinars took the Chifian. Okay, this is really good. I'm really proud and I really appreciate when I see that you send me the private message that you are making money. Okay, so keep on going. Let's watch and trade like we do. Okay, watch. Price action, take the sell. Easy. There no complications, guys. Just do not complicate. Don't get in too early. Be patient. Let it push higher and then watch for the sell. Euro cat, it's pushing higher. I don't see that it's gonna go totally to the upside. Probably it goes slowly back at the trend line and then we'll go for one more sell. Okay, so this sell it's still there. I can see it can appear really nice and really fast. So this is not a buy. Okay, there is the sell setup and don't sell it right now. Okay, you will be too early if you would like to go for a sell right now. Okay, this is not a selling spot. It's too strong at the moment and it can easily drag back at the top. So Denchi, welcome. Good morning to you also. And it will go to the upside. So those who are now live, please guys, can you let me know, is this time better for weekly market outlook or it's better Sunday? Okay, just type the Y or +1 if you do agree that webinars are better on Monday morning or you would love to have them on Sunday. Then just let me know and type the 2 or yeah, let's say like that. Okay, if you like to have the webinars on Monday morning, type number 1. If you would love to have the webinars as we have before on Sunday evening, type number 2 please. So I will know. which time is better for you. Okay, so number one, I see that a lot of people are agreeing with this time. Okay, so yeah, just vote, and at the end of the webinar, we will see the results. So Eric, your cat going back at the trend line. Watch for your price action to sell. Thank you for helping. You are welcome. I'm here to share as much knowledge as I can between you guys. But you will have to do the work, okay? You will have to watch and train yourself. You have to train the eyes, okay? This is the business where you need to have sharp eyes. So you achieve what we have been doing. We've been buying, okay? So there was a lot of setups. My buy, it's placed over there, and some of my traders, many of you catch it there, some of them also later. But yeah, a lot of our traders, a lot of our students take this buy, okay? We are in the buying, we protect already ourselves with the break-even trade, so we placed it on a break-even trade. So what we are doing now, we are watching how the chart will be pushing higher, okay? So nice trade that we are having is your chief, and we're also holding the chief yen, of course. We catch a nice trade over there. How about dollar? The gold, sorry, gold. Yeah, we will watch the gold just a little bit. I will speed up, no worries. We'll watch the gold into details. Also silver, commodities. Okay, US 30, 100, Nasdaq 100, and so on. Okay, we'll watch them. No worries. Just stay with us. Don't leave it. Monday morning. So I think that people are much more interested to have it on Monday morning. So let's see. We'll see the result at the end of the webinar. So you see what you'll have to do. If it goes back at the trend line, you can try to buy again. You'll see how the price will be behaving. No strong movements. Okay, so if that will be the strong movement, don't try to chase the buy. Okay, so what you will have to do, you would like to see the slow, not aggressive but corrective movement, and then you will watch the buying opportunity over there. Why? Because I can see the chief is losing its momentum across the market, and that would be the nice opportunity to see the euro chief rising. Okay, so rising, I can see this really nicely breaking out of this structure. So those who are holding the buys from there, wherever, okay, from those areas, just hold it, put it on break even, and don't watch it anymore. Just watch your account grow. That's all what you can do. Okay, watch your profit grow. Here, GBP, what this one is trying to do, it's struggling there all the time. It's gonna go back at the trend line, it's gonna go low, and then you can consider some buys. Buy is still active. Okay, so this is the buy which I'm still watching. Let me show you the daily. The daily, it's still there, as you can see. Okay, so this is the movement that I would like to see. Okay, so movement which can go back at the trend line at least before going lower, or it can even breaking higher, because the pound, I can see that the pound will lose its strength across the market. So a lot of opportunities for the euro GBP will be there. So keep your eyes there for your buy setups. Okay, is it ready already? Is it trying to push higher? We cannot say this. Okay, but let's see how it will behave around the trend line. If the price will hold the trend line and then going lower, then nice opportunity will form over there. Okay, so let it do whatever it wants to do. I'm not interested to buy there, and I will not be even interested to buy there. I will be interested there around the trend line. That's gonna be a nice opportunity. Okay, let's see. But we break this low. Okay, so we break this low, we can start pushing higher. So what we will do? Let's have a look on 15 minutes a little bit. If price will hold there, okay, so you can consider some buys. If it's stopped by the trend line, not gonna move, give you the price action, okay, and sell it up, then take off this buy, wait for new low, and then buy again. Okay, so easy. So this is how you can understand market behavior. Look at that one. Okay, so there's this simple example. Going lower, give you the flag. Going higher, okay, going higher. Reverse from the top, reverse on top. Then you know where it is going. It's going back at the trend line, and there is where you will be buying. Okay, so buy there. Watch to buy there. It's gonna give you a nice chances. Also good risk to reward ratio. Okay, I'll place alarm over there. I don't want to see that it's gonna go from there. Would like to catch the trade from there. But yeah, watch it, put it on your watch list. There are a lot of trades that are looking interesting for this week. Okay, this week there it will be really interesting one. Your USD, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, dollar it's unstable. It's going higher and this can go a little bit lower back at this low and one more wave to the upside. Okay. So I will stay neutral. Neutral. If you would like to take any sales, yes, of course, you can go this 15 minute. Okay, so this 15 minute, but you would like to see the bigger one before selling it. Okay, so this long correction over there it's needed, and then you can consider some sales over there on your USD. But at the moment, I was the neutral. I don't want to take this small trade. Okay, that's not for me, and that's where I don't want to risk the money. But if you want, you can easily go 15 minutes, wait for the correction, stay patient, take the trade all the way back this low. Euro yen. Near the end, there was the nice sell setup. Okay, so we've been watching this one. It went lower. So what you can do now, nothing yet until you have the correction. Okay, so correction is needed. It can be even bigger before going lower. Okay, so the Euro always give a bigger pullbacks. You see, if that's gonna go, then boom, you will have a nice trade like this one, and then going this one, and then going. Okay, so this is what you have to wait for. Okay, that can struggle there like this, but at any time soon it will give you the bigger correction over there. Okay, so this is what you would like to see. Okay, there is the opportunity, there is the money. But until it's dropping, and if you're not in from the spots higher, then don't get in. You are buying on the low, and that's not the point, and that's not the purpose of trading. As you know that in the trading that entry and timing where you are entering the market is really important. Okay, because if you will be late and if you will enter on the bad spot, then you can have a problems with the trade. Okay, so you will not have a lot of profit, and your trade will go straight into the stop loss and so on. La 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 la. Okay, you will have no chances for managing your trade. Okay, so I can see that a lot of people are also asking me about how to manage your trade. Okay, managing your trade will only be available if you will be able to recognize and sell and buy from the lows. Okay, only the way like that. If you will be late and if you will be jumping in the middle of the trend, then you will have no chances and no option for managing your trade. Okay, managing your trade is only if you catch good entries, if you're selling as high as possible, and if you are buying as low as possible. Okay, only the way like that you have the chance to manage your trade. Otherwise, forget on that option. It's not for you. So let's go. Pound USD. That's the dollar movement. Okay, this is the dollar movement that went higher, that pushes lower. I can still see that this will go break this top. Okay, so that's not a sell yet. Okay, this is not the sell yet. If I will show you the daily, look at that one. Let me just delete a little bit those patterns away from you. Okay, so this we still need to break that top. Okay, so that buy can appear at any time soon, so I do not recommend you selling it. Okay, so I do not recommend you selling it because it can stop by the previous low somewhere there and then give you the loss of momentum going higher really fast, and this is where you can make money. Okay, that can happen in the upcoming week really fast. So this will be the movement. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let's see some loss of momentum over there, breaking these lows. You see, breaking these lows and then going back at the top really fast. The dollar will help in this movement. Okay, dollar will help in this movement. So watch it. Okay, I will place also some alarms over there. Would like to be notified and would like to see the behavior over there. Pound chief. That's quite a weird chart. Chief is gonna go down, so this can push higher. Okay, be aware. This could be all the low, and this could be a buy stop already. Okay, so this could be the buy already. It can drag at the top. Okay, but I'm not interested. I don't like to see this one. Not looking good. Okay, no momentum is there basically. So stay away from pound chief. Don't watch it. On the end, going lower. Okay, so there was the shot. Okay, that's we've been watching it. It went down really, really nicely. So what we can do, I will delete this one. It's gone. This is from the academy. So that's what we are watching, and this is what why it's good to be a member of our academy. We are watching the setups. We are also filtering out and watching the best charts. Okay, we are not watching the 30 charts. Okay, we filter them out and we find the 3 or 4 best charts that are giving us the best risk to reward ratio, that are giving us a lot of money, and that are ready to be triggered almost. Okay, so this is gone, pound yen now. You cannot do anything. It can struggle there, and then it can turn to the upside. So nothing is there. Okay, in the middle of the week, you can watch. If there will be the correction, you can sell. But I don't think so. Pound New Zealand. Let's see. I thought the pound yen was a buy. No, pound yen wasn't a buy. Why? This is not a buy setup. Okay, this is not a buy setup. You can see that you're having the second part of the correction that is clearly and nicely showing you the sell setup. So makes no sense to be a buyer at the top. So it took me out on the market. Yeah, logically. You got stuck probably. Okay, so you got stuck probably. You were buying because of this. Okay, but this is not a buy setup. This is not a buy setup. This is the problem. Why you been taken out? Okay, there was the sell. Pound New Zealand. Mm, it's gonna go lower also. Pound New Zealand lower. New Zealand will go up. Pound a little bit lower. So we break the top also. Let's have a look. What's going on? Yes, this move over there. Okay, so watch for a selling at 10 times, and you will have the sell opportunity over there. Oops, sorry for that. So this is gonna go lower. Okay, so sell is what you can watch. Sell opportunity. Pound Aussie. There it is. The sell is waiting on you. Okay, so that's, I mean, I trade. Let it go for one more height. Watch for sell there on 5 minutes and take the sell. Okay, so easy. I'm showing you a really nice trades, guys, over there. Okay, so Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. Those are my number 2 charts. Okay, number 2 charts. I mean, number 1 charts. They are two, but they are my number one. Sorry for that. Yeah, but watch them closely. Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie, number 1 charts. They are giving you a good chances, but don't just sell like an idiot once these will come higher. Okay, let it go. Watch lower time frame before you are selling. Once you see the price action, take the sell. Okay, you will catch the nice trade. So let's go pound cat. What it is doing is it's pushing back at the trend line. No buying, no selling. I'm not interested. Nothing. No gone. Pound Nokian. What it was there was the buy stop. It went up. So if you were buying there, put it on break even or take profit. That's not gonna go far. Okay, so that's not gonna go far. So what you can do, just take profit, but don't sell it. Okay. Good profit was there. How much profit was there? 5%, 5.5%. Okay, so these are the trades that we are searching for, guys. These only trades like that will give you the money for a living. Chief Yen, here it is. Okay, this is the money maker and the winning trade from the previous week. Okay, previous week, this is the winning trade, the perfect trade that we've been watching on, and we catch the trades from the top. Okay, you can easily take your profit away from the market. It's nothing wrong. It's 5% of the profit booked on your account. Okay? So winning trade from the previous week. So what you can do now, you cannot do anything. Okay, so the market will go in some consolidations. The correction will appear over there, something like that, before it's gonna go lower. So you will have nothing to do at the moment. Okay, don't chase the market. Let it go one more down, let it go up, and give you some kind of the flat before going lower. Okay, so this is what you would like to see, and then you can start selling. If you were selling from there like we did, okay, take your profit. Okay, you can easily take your profit away from the market. You're not gonna miss anything because the chart will go at any time soon in the correction and you will be able to add more trades. Okay, so it's gonna go lower then once this move will be finished. Let me show you the weekly structure why we are selling. Look at that one. Look at that one. Okay, so we are having one and then 1 to 3 correction and we are going down. Okay, so this is the trade that we are targeting. Okay, there with this trade you can easily double your account. Okay, so you can double your investment just by trading on Chifian. Okay, you see guys, you don't need to trade 15 charts, you don't need to open 20, 30, 40 trades to be profitable. You can open only one single trade and double your account, even triple. If you are good, you can triple your account with those movements. Okay, so just watch there for the correction. We will put a double focus in our academy and we will be watching this way to the downside. So keep your eyes on, watch it also. It's not gonna do anything on special, so correction and then low, right? This is this is what we'll be watching. So I will mark it as red. Of course, you will stay seller over there. Chief Nokian, nothing special. It's gonna go lower. Okay, so we will see the sell over there. At any time soon, we will be start pushing lower, something like this, and then going lower. Chief will lose his strength across the market. Dollar Chief. Okay, so this was the huge buy. Why? Dollar was gaining and Chief was losing. So wonderful impulse appeared there based on that. There was also some loss of momentum. It started to push higher. So what you can do, can we buy? No, stay away from it right now. What it can do, this one can go all the way back at the top. This could be a big, huge correction over there that's gonna form. Okay, so can I buy from there? No, guys. Let it go deeper. Okay, going deeper, then you can buy for this movement back at the top and then going lower. But I think the dollar will not let this move to appear. Okay, so I don't see dollar going that higher. So would rather wait for this correction. Okay, so this is gonna be a this week correction, the whole week consolidation, or even next week. So 2 weeks of consolidations are needed before we can say that this is the potential buy that we can chase. But for now, I will stay neutral. Okay, staying neutral, not trading there, not making any sense. Maybe on Wednesday, if you have any correction on one hour, you can take small buy, but that's not gonna give you a big trade. So watch it. No trading, just watch it. Okay, so when I say watch it, don't jumping into the trade. USDN, you can watch for some sells over there. So this can drag lower, break this low, and then we'll have a nice buying power. Okay, so buying power is setting up there. Yen is gaining at the moment. That's the reason why we will see this pushing to the downside. So if it goes one more back at the top, tagging the top, you can consider sell again. Okay, so this is the movement which you can have over there. If you're selling seller from there, you're doing good job. Place your trade on the break even. Enjoy. Don't add more trades. That's all. Okay, so whenever you enter it, just break even, and that's all. The momentum is not there. I want to see more momentum, so I would be happier if there it will be one more buy and then going lower, breaking these lows. So look at that one. That's what I'm anticipating. Okay, breaking the top and then going lower. That's that's the opportunity we are waiting for. USD CAD went up nicely. What is it trying to do? Let's have a look on daily. I don't think that that's all the correction, and this is the start of the way to the upside. Mm, let's see. We are having like this. We are having now like this. Interesting structure, guys. If you watch 1, 2, 3 to the downside, 1, 2, 3 to the upside, and we are having 1 to the downside. We need a little bit higher, lower, and then up. Okay, so I think that there will be the bigger correction. Okay, so bigger correction, something is missing for me. Okay, so that big correction is missing. This big correction is missing there. It can appear over there, and then going lower, and then going higher. So let's see. Okay, definitely will not be tradable this week. We'll see. Maybe on Wednesday. Wednesday, if you see any sell stops, you can sell back at this low, take your profit, and then it will go back. Okay, so this will be the short term, short rate and fast rate. You can consider selling it, yeah? USD Mexican, nothing is there. Just leave that trade alone. It's not looking good. Nokian went too high. Wait more, it can struggle there, but wait the downside, it's possible. It can go down, it can go up, and then it can go down. So focus on the sell there. USD can went up nicely. Okay, we've been watching this from there. It exploded basically total. That's the dollar strength. How far it's going, it can stop there by that and start pushing lower. We'll see. Okay, that's also possible. So gold, do we have the gold traders over there? I seen the people been asking me there on the chat that they would like to see the gold analysis. So let's see, guys. Are you still there? Are you still with me? Let's have a look on the gold. What the gold is trying to do. The gold is trying to pull back. It's not gonna go drop totally. Okay, so we will see some reversals at any time soon. So how far it can go? It can go struggle there, going one more low, and then it will go higher. Okay, so what you can do, you can watch this one going back at the trend line. Okay, so that could be expanded flat 1, 2, 3. Okay, breaking this top, and that's gonna give you the expanded flat, one more low, and then it can start pushing higher. Okay, so that's the possibility which can exist and which can appear over there basically, and then will be a buyers. Okay, I don't see any sales over there. If you are seller there, okay, if you're seller it, taking your profit away from the market, that's not gonna be a big movement. Okay, so can this move extends all the way down? Let's see. Monthly. Yes, it's also possibility. Possibility also exists, so be careful. If that's gonna give you the 4 hour correction, okay, something like that, then this has the possibility to break those lows. Okay, so those lows can be breaking. Be aware over there, gold could be quite tricky to trade, but yeah, like I said, 1 hour is what you can watch for. Expanded flat over there, and then one more sell. Okay, one more sell is possible. Gold, silver, sorry, silver. It's quite similar chart. Let's have a look on daily first. What do we have on the daily? That's gonna struggle over there, and one more high there. It can go easily break those tops. Okay, keep your eyes there. Watch. Let's see some loss of momentum before you will be a buyer. At the moment, we are having a strong sell momentum, but no loss of momentum. You want to see the loss of momentum before you will be a buyer. Nothing big. Uh, sugar is still looking for this buy. Okay, so that buy still needs to appear, breaking the top. So let's see where we are at the moment. Yeah, I can see that this is gonna go break those tops and then going once again down weekly. Oh yeah, nice sell, it's coming. So no buying, just watch for sell setups. So what you will have to do, just wait for sell stops. Once it comes back at those tops, start selling. Start selling, no buying. Okay, I don't recommend you buy because sell can appear at any time soon. It can appear from there, it can appear from there, there. It doesn't matter where, but sell is dangerous over there. So stick to the sells only. Don't watch a buy. US oil, It's struggling there at the top. I personally took a couple of trades over there. I took a sell there and I closed it on break even this sell, and I'm having one new sell over there placed with the break even. We'll see how that's gonna go. But if this is gonna go higher, I will sell again. Okay, we'll take a break even trade over there and then we'll sell again from the top. It's still looking for a nice sell. What can we have over there? This is what we can have: running flat and more upside. Okay, so oil will gain some strength across the market. This move needs to appear, and then we'll have a buy. Same there with the UK oil. UK oil is doing the same stuff. Okay, same behavior. It's going higher, higher, higher. It can go drop and then going higher. Okay, so this still will be the running flat, which will push the pair to the upside. Okay, so buying, it's quite possible scenario there on both of the oils. I mean, sell first and then buy. Sorry. So this, look at that one. Come on. I'll delete this one, don't want to confuse you. Okay, so this sell and this buy really likely gonna happen. Okay, so running flat over there, something like this. One, two, three, going higher. So good opportunity to watch around 66 for a buying opportunity. If you would like to sell it, okay, you can also sell it, but not right now. Let's see how that's gonna develop over there. One more high and then sell from the top. This is good opportunity. US 30 went up down nicely. Okay, so one, two, three. That was the sell pattern. It go really, really slowly, 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 and then drops down. Okay, so that was quite a messy movement. Okay, that was the messy movement. If you hold it, if you survived the pullback, and if you didn't put on break even, we're still holding the sell, then you're having a nice trade. Okay, so if not, then you end up with a break even because these trades and this momentum, it's always a messy. Okay, it's always a messy and always a tricky. So I don't have a trade over there. It's not looking good. But where is it heading to? It's heading to the downside. Okay, let's see some correction and keep selling more. Nasdaq 100. Okay, we are at the top. Watch for sell stops. Can it go higher? Yes, it can, but then it will give you a nice, perfect sell over there from the top. Okay, so keep your eyes on the sell. It's about to be over. The buy is about to be over. Sorry. Okay, so back at the top and sell. Okay, keep your eyes. Nice opportunities waiting there. SP 500, more than a wonderful chart. Okay, been discussing this in our academy, so my traders who are watching now, they know what we were doing. Okay, so what we were doing, we were selling there, we were selling there, and selling there. So what we have a nice sell over there. Okay, so congratulations to them. They were patient. They've been following the movement that we've been talking about and discussing about, and they are in the nice profit over there. So what you can do, those who miss the movement, let's see 1 hour correction and then more low. Okay, so I can see the tag of that bottom. Okay, so wait for this flat over there, 1 hour flat, and then going more lower. Okay, so 1 hour, look at that one, going up, going lower, going up, and then low. Okay, so stay patient. This behavior is what you have to survive. I mean, this is what you have to wait for. Okay, stay patient in that behavior. It could take up for 2 days maybe before it will start pushing lower. German 30, same there. Okay, it went lower. We thought that it's gonna go for one more low or gonna break down. So those who were selling from there, those who were selling from there, wonderful chart. Okay, wonderful trade, wonderful chart, and nice profit also. So those who are not in, what you have to do, same as I have shown you on the SP 500, let it go up, let it go down, let it go up, take the sell. Okay, so flat. Flat is what we are anticipating over there and what we need, but it's too early to say which it's gonna appear. Okay, so which flat gonna go? It's gonna be a classical flat. It's gonna be a running flat. It's gonna be whatever expanded flat. Okay, we have to wait. It's only the first movement. This is the first move of the correction. It's gonna go low. It's gonna go up, and it's gonna go low. Okay, so wait on this. Don't be too fast. Nothing will gonna go without you. I see that most of you are usually facing the FOMO effect. Okay, so fear of missing out effect. That's happening if you don't know where the market's going and how it's going. UK 100, nothing to say. perfect trade going lower, what it can do. Let's say for the correction, let's wait for the correction and more sell. Okay, so wait for this correction, more selling power. Okay, so more selling power. What we're doing, waiting for the correction and then taking the sell. Easy. All the way back to the trend line. Keep your eyes on those who are not in already. Wait for this one. Those who are in, put your trade on break even and watch to add more trades. Okay. So if this will become aggressive, then it can also push higher and then it will go low. But the sell is still active. Okay. Sell is still what you will watch for. So enjoy. Congratulations for those who've been patient and for those who were selling from the top. Congratulations. So that's it. Do you guys have any questions? Do we have any questions? Let's see. I've been talking now too much and okay, seems so quiet on the chat, guys. Just feel free to use the chat over there. And yeah, for that that what we've been voting for the webinar on Monday or Sunday. Most of you are much more interested to have a webinar on Monday morning. Okay, so Monday morning looks really interesting for you. So okay, so then I will put one more poll there on Telegram. Okay, so those who are not in the Telegram, I'll put one more poll over there. Please vote, so we will see the exact time when you are interested to have the webinar. Okay. How often do you stream? I stream once a week. Okay, once a week is what I do. Usually this is on Sunday and Monday, and this is for free. But inside of the academy, I stream every day. Okay, so we are watching the charts every day inside the academy. We have our eyes on the market all the time, every day, every second, so you cannot miss the move. So yeah, but for free it's only once a week. Once a week, yeah. So what else? Do we have questions? Feel free, guys, to type there. So those who are interested to join the academy, feel free. Under the video you will find the link tradewithmaster.eu and just go to the membership tab. There you will find the membership that fits with you, that you are comfortable to take it. And once you will complete the payment, you will have the lifetime access, so you will have no any hidden fees inside the academy. Everything is unlocked. You will have a lot of educational stuff. What I'm already doing is I'm already making a new trading course. Okay, so this course is based on the most mistakes, or based on the mistakes that people are doing quite often on the market. Again, it will be really powerful course. It's gonna be a breathtaking course. How do you determine where price will move? Based on the structure. Okay, the structure and the flags are telling you where the chart will move. Okay, so what is the basic? What I'm trying to teach you is wait for the impulse, wait for the flag, and then the price will continue to the upside. And the basics is for the sell, flag, and then going lower. Okay, these these are the basic which you have to follow and understand. It's so simple, it's not complicated. But what you have to do then is you have to study the correction. Okay, what you have to do to be much more powerful, to be much more, how to say, precision, you have to take some time to study those corrections. You have to develop your rules, how you will identify where you will enter, how you will exit, and so on. Okay, so this is what I'm teaching my traders to do. Okay, I already have the rules which have been back tested for years, and they works profitable, really, really profitable on the long term. Okay, so this is what I teach: impulse, correction, it goes up, correction, it goes up. This now is going down. Okay, so down, correction, down, correction, down. Okay, and this one is bigger correction. What is it showing in the previous direction? Sell. Okay, so nobody cannot say that this sell is not predictable. This is predictable, and you don't need to watch and look the bullshit media stream news. We don't care what people and what politicians are saying in the news, what they are talking, and la 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 la. Okay, so we are not trading on the fundamentals. Okay, the politician has nothing to do with the market. That's it. Okay, so they are only following the market. They will always follow the market. So news has nothing to do with the market. That's that's what I'm saying. Because if you watch the news and if you'll be reading the news, if you will be trading on the fundamentals, you will lose your money, your entry will be late, and so on. It's only the predictions, okay? The news are only the predictions, which are really, really bad. Okay, so don't rely on the fundamentals. So should I wait for a retest of the support and resistance to enter? No, you don't need to wait for this one, but if you mean the horizontal support and resistance, this is what we don't trade, okay? So you cannot rely on the horizontal support and resistance lines. They are not profitable. Okay, you will lose your money relying on those lines. Okay, they are gambling lines. We call these a gambling lines. They are not they are not stable. Okay, and they are not variable. Let me show you something. Look at that one. Okay, so how to trade on the support and resistance. Okay, you will see how they are useless. One chart. Okay, so let's pick that one. Look at that one. I will not be watching the chart and I will see those are the support and resistance. Look at that one. One, two, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. Look at that one. Those are all the support and resistance. Look at that one. And people are saying that this is good to trade on the support and resistance. Really? You will lose your money. Okay, this is too simple. Look at that one. I even didn't watch the chart and I found the support and resistance line. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look. No, that one wasn't. Sorry. That's it. Look at that one. I'm so profitable support and resistance trading. Are you guys kidding me? Okay, how you can trade on this? You cannot even watch the chart and you will be amazing support and resistance trader. Look at that one. Look at that one. Watch this one. Okay, so don't trade on support and resistance lines. Those are the gambling lines. It's too simple. Look at that one. You don't need to study them. Look at that one. Look. Just what is the rule to trade on support and resistance? Move chart totally to the right side, close your eyes and put the horizontal lines all across the chart. And trust me, you will have the wonderful support and resistance lines. And this is what people are trading on, okay? So no shit. That's not gonna work. And people are selling the curses to teach people how to trade on support and resistance. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I can prove you that you will lose your money at least in 6 months. if you are really really careful, you will lose your money. So stay away from the support resistance lines, okay? That's the reason. Your idea about Bitcoin, does it reach? Let's see. Yeah, that's what I see the most. I know, buddy. I know because I'm watching all the time. The people are publishing the idea on the trading view, and I can see that what people are doing. I just got the headache. Okay, you cannot make money from those lines. They are so simple. And if the trading on the support and resistance will be so simple, everyone will be a millionaire. Am I right? Everyone will be making money out of the forex market. Am I right? Hello? Am I right? So if this will be so, and if this will be so easy, everyone will be making money, and yeah, that's it. Everyone will be a billionaire. So let's go. Your idea about Bitcoin, does it reach 25K? Let's see. So those yellow lines you draw are counter trend lines. No, these are not counter trend lines. Those are the trend lines that identifies the patterns for me. Okay, I can totally trade without having the trend lines over there. Okay, so I don't need the trend lines. Okay, so what I do with trend lines is I'm marking the patterns. You see, I mark there the flag going lower, and if I will do so, this is the expanded flat. Okay, expanded flat. This is the reason why I use the trend lines. I am marking the patterns on the screen, but I don't need to. Okay, I don't need to because I have them in my mind, okay? In my head. Look at that one, for example. I don't need to mark this one because I know where is it going. Do I have to mark this one? No, I don't need to. But I'm marking this for you, for better understanding. Look at that one. I don't need to mark this one because I know what is it doing. I don't need to mark this one because I know what this is doing. It's so simple. But what you have to do, spend some times on patterns. Okay, this is the pattern. How it develops, why it develops, how long, how far, blah blah blah, and the momentum and so on. Okay, so this is what you have to study. This correction will tell you where the price will move in the future, and you don't need the fundamentals. You don't need to read the articles there on the news and so on. Okay, nothing. Only you and clean chart. You don't even need indicators. Okay, so this is what you need. Clear chart which will tells you where the price will move in the future. It's so easy. So easy. If you don't know and if you still don't understand that behavior, how it works, feel free to watch the previous weekly market outlooks. There are the recordings published on my YouTube channel. So on the YouTube channel and also under the trading view under my profile you'll find the stream tab and there are a lot of weekly market outlooks, and if you watch them, I can guarantee that you will learn and improve your knowledge. Okay, a lot of people and many of people are doing that. They are improving really, really nicely. So I can bet on you that you will also improve your knowledge. You will understand the movement. So let's answer that Bitcoin. Bitcoin, that guy is asking about the Bitcoin, where it is. We are not trading the Bitcoin, the any crypto market. As you can see, that Bitcoin is clearly nicely showing the correction. Okay, so this correction will stay there for the sideways next couple of weeks probably. So Bitcoin will go up, but that up will not gonna go far. Around 40k, 42k, it's what we can anticipate. Going higher, hold the trend line there, and then going lower. Okay, so yeah, it can easily go back at around 24k somewhere there. It's what we've been watching for. 20 or even 20k. Okay, 20k is also a interesting spot to watch. 20 to 24k. Okay, somewhere there is where we've been watching. But for now, this move is gonna go higher and then lower. Okay, we need momentum. We need to build some momentum for this sharp wave to the downside. That's gonna be a daily movement. Okay, so daily it's setting up over there. This trend line has nothing to do, like I said, so I can clearly delete it. This will tells me, okay, it's gonna go up, even a little bit extended, and then boom, it's gonna reverse though to the downside. So that's the reason why I do not recommend you taking any crypto trades. Crypto it's not tradable for me until the Bitcoin will be in this correction for a sell. Okay, look at that one. The whole crypto is for a sell. Okay, so selling. If you are selling, if you're leverage trading on the crypto, yes, you can consider some sells. But those who are spot trading, because most of you are spot trading, you have nothing to do. Okay, so what you can do is you can only go for this movement over there. Okay, only this buy is there, but it's risky. Okay, this movement. It's gonna go push back at the top until probably on Friday. On Friday, the price could be somewhere there, and then sell will be active again. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, guys? I hope that you know what the price will be doing. The market is really good for the upcoming week. There are not a lot of charts, but I have shown you which are the toppest one. I have shown you the top charts, which you have to put on your watch list, watch them, and your money will be with you easily. You are awesome, bro. Thank you very much. You are welcome, and I do appreciate your support. So those who are first time there, you know what to do. Watch the previous weekly market outlooks. Those who are interested to join me, to join my wonderful team, you are welcome. If you have any questions, send me the DM. You can send me the email. You'll find the email on the website, or you can contact me there on TradingView. You can also send me the DM on Telegram, and you'll get the information that you're watching for, okay, and waiting for. That's it. So which pairs did you say to watch? Aussie, the most of them, pound Aussie and the euro Aussie. Okay, this is what you want to see. And Chief yen after the correction. Okay, and Euro GBP on the low. Euro GBP will be tradable once it will form the low. Euro Chief after the correction. Chief yen after the correction. But the pound Aussie and euro Aussie are the best one. Okay, those are the best one. Best. Euro Aussie and pound Aussie for sell. That's what you're gonna do. Okay, so that's it. Please share the link with others, and there is where I will end the webinar. So, guys, like I said, if you have any questions, send me the DM. We will discuss about it. And have a nice day. May the profit be with you. Share the link with others so the others can also learn and get some knowledge. Okay, so take care, enjoy your day, and may the profit be with you. Take care. Bye bye.